All right, so I've gone in and edited a little bit more so you didn't have to watch me, but I'm going to talk about some of the editing that I've done. So here I have moved user up to the top, and I've moved class, the customer classes, some of their attributes to the user. We are going to make this a parent class. So a user is going to be somebody that the customer and the employee inherits from. They're going to inherit their a name, email, and password. There are no methods at this point that I can see. Let's talk about these methods. So sign up, what do you think of when you think of signing up? So when I'm a customer and I sign up for an account, I think about a customer having a completely new account. And so I am going to erase that because what this actually makes me think of is a constructor. And we're not going to include constructors in our diagram. We're going to assume that every class needs a constructor, but we're not going to write them out. So every class needs a constructor, so we are going to assume that those are already there. So I'm going to remove that. That's what sign up really says. Edit, we can move that actually to our user class as well. So I'm going to put that under there. So now we have a parent class. So user has name, email, password, and it has the ability to edit those. We have an employee, and this employee doesn't really have any special attributes or methods at this point. And if you don't have those, that's fine. You just have what you have. And you know, the product backlog hasn't specified anything different. So we're just going to have an employee, and you know, maybe one day as we build this system, it will develop more and have more information for that employee. So for now, that's fine. The customer has a specialty, has payment information, and we have this function login, but we're not going to deal with that quite yet. We're going to talk about that in another video, in the next video, hopefully. So let's go through. I've removed the add payment information. So that again is a type of constructor, and we're going to assume that the payment information class has that. So I'm just going to, you know, take that out. That's part of the refinement process. So anything where we're having anything that sounds like a constructor, we can just remove it because we know that we already have it. So payment information has credit card methods. There's no methods here, so we're not going to add any. There was nothing else about the payment information, so we don't need to add anything that's not in the product backlog at this point. Class name, beverages, list of available beverages. So we're going to deal with this one again in a second. Image, title, price, ingredients, nutrition, facts. So that's another class. What's our nutrition class? Facts down here. Season, availability, view, filter, and edit. So I want to be able to view my image, my details. That's great. Filter based on these details and then edit them. Those are all great. Nutrition facts, calories, everything looks good here. And class name, category, and again, no methods here. That's fine. Okay, let's go ahead and jump into the next video.